In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious egusi soup. Stay tuned. Keep watching. These are all my ingredients: goat meat, smoked chicken, smoked turkey, momo or cow skin, dried fish, egusi or melon seed, bell pepper, onions, ginger and tomatoes, dry pepper, bitter leaves and crayfish, hot all-purpose seasoning and non-seasoning, palm oil. Okay, I have my pot on the stove. What I'm going to do right now, I will add in my goat meat. I'll also add my smoked turkey. Okay. I'm going to add a teaspoon of Maggi. You have the Goya seasoning. And I add salt. Then I'm going to pour in some blended pepper. There's onions, ginger, and a little pepper. I turn on the stove. Then I will cover it up. I like to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, while the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead and fry I just want to toast my egusi, okay? I like it when I toast it. I like the taste. I like the taste when it's toasted, okay? Guys, this egusi is clean, guys. When I got this egusi, I wash it thoroughly, then I sun dry it, okay? I'm just gonna toast this for some time. Okay, that's it guys, it's ready. I just want to toast it a little bit. I don't want it to be burnt, okay? Then I'll turn off the stove. I'll allow it to cool down, then I'll go blend it, okay? Okay guys, I'm going to blend the pepper right now.
Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Who make up for this day. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow.
Okay guys, after 15 minutes later, the meat have been cooking now. It has produced its own water. I'm just going to give it a quick stir, then I'll add him my momo. Okay.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody.
After adding in the momo, then I'll go ahead and add in all the blended pepper. Okay. I'm just going to pour everything inside, and I'll give it a little stir, then I'll cover. I'll allow it to cook for another 15 minutes.
All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess that they dodge me like saying a bullet. But today, see, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, can change a man. That's all.
Okay guys, this is 15 minutes later. I will just give it another quick stir, then I'm going to add in my oil. I'll add in the oil, the bitter leaves, and crayfish. I will stir it up together again, then I'll cover it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is my oil, my palm oil. Then I'm going to add in my bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is already washed. Okay, it's a dry bitter leaf. I've already washed it. Then I'll stir it together. Then I'll add crayfish. Then I'll cover it, allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, this is after 10 minutes later. I'll go ahead and add in my cow feet. I have some cow feet in the fridge that is the leftover cow feet. I decided to add it to the soup. I'll stir it together, then I'll add in my blended egusi. Okay, I'll stir it a little bit, then I'll add in my blended egusi. I will stir it up a little bit, then I'll cover and I'll allow it to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes again. Guys, this is almost about roughly 10 minutes later. My egusi soup have already been cooking. Then I'll give it another quick stir. I'll stir it up together. Then I'm going to add crayfish to it. Okay, I have crayfish, then the leftover crayfish that I used before, I'm going to add it to it. Then I'll also add in my dry fish. Okay, I use oven to dry that fish. The fish name is a melusa fish, or here we call it whitening fish. Then I added another 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Then I'll stir it together. I like to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes again. Then our soup is ready. This soup is very easy to make. You can eat this soup with any swallow of your choice. You can eat it with any swallow of your choice. It tastes so yummy. It tastes so delicious. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. I love every one of you. Thank you so much for the support. And if you are watching this from Facebook, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love and the support. May God bless every one of you. I love you guys, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your thumbs up is highly appreciated. I love you guys. Thank you so much for sharing out my video, for liking my video, for watching my video. From the bottom of my heart, I really want to say thank you so much, guys. I love you guys. Please don't forget to thumbs up as always. Your thumbs up means a lot. Okay, at this time I'm going to check for salt. I decided to add a little bit of salt. Okay, I added a little bit of salt and stirred a little bit, and I covered it to cook for about 2 minutes. Then our soup was ready. Egusi soup was ready, guys. This is my son's favorite soup. Okay, every of my kids, they all have their own favorite soup, but this soup right here is my son's favorite soup. He loves this soup so much. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much. I cover it again, and I like to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then our egusi soup was ready. Okay, watch out for my mukbang video. After I make this food, me and Abigail, my daughter, we made a mukbang. Okay, we ate this soup with oatmeal fufu. Okay, you can eat this soup with pounded yam, plantain fufu, any fufu, any swallow of your choice. Okay, it goes well with any swallow, and it also goes well with rice. You can eat this soup with rice also. Okay, I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Bye.